Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions, one epic comparison at a time. Today, we're diving into the world of drones with two sky-high contenders. The Holystone HS720E, which we'll call Holy Stone, and the IDEA31P brushless motor drone, aka IDEA. Buckle up, because it's about to get airborne. First up, let's talk about the green stuff. And no, I don't mean the grass you'll be crash landing on. Holy Stone here is priced at a wallet-aching $399. Meanwhile, IDEA is a budget-friendly $89. Yeah, you heard me right, folks. With Holy Stone, you might need to sell a kidney. With IDEA, you just need to skip a few lattes. So, if you're a broke college student looking to impress your friends, IDEA might have already won your heart. Next, let's get snappy with camera quality. Holy Stone boasts a 4K EIS anti-shake camera with a Sony sensor. Translation: your footage will be smoother than a James Bond one-liner. IDEA, on the other hand, also offers a 4K camera with a Sony sensor, but throws in a wider field of view at 90 degrees. It's like having a fisheye lens without the fish. Both are great, but if you're into ultra-wide shots of your cat walking on a leash, IDEA might be your go-to. Reviewers have praised Holy Stone for its excellent video quality and stability, while IDEA has been appreciated for its wide-angle shots, although some users have reported issues with the camera lens and motors. Now, let's talk about what these bad boys can do in the air. Holy Stone comes with GPS location and auto return to home, so even if you lose sight of it, it'll come back to you like a loyal dog. IDEA features 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, which is perfect for those of us who have a knack for flying into trees. Plus, it has VR function, so you can pretend you're in the cockpit while sitting on your couch, eating chips. If you're a daredevil, Holy Stone's got your back. If you're a klutz, IDEA might save you a few repair bills. Reviewers have highlighted Holy Stone's impressive flight stability and return-to-home feature, while IDEA's obstacle avoidance has been a hit among beginners. Alright, let's see who can stay up in the air the longest. Holy Stone offers a solid 46 minutes of flight time with 2 intelligent batteries. That's nearly an hour of pretending you're a professional drone pilot. IDEA, on the other hand, gives you 20 minutes total with its 2 modular batteries. So if you have commitment issues, IDEA's shorter flight time might be less intimidating. Reviewers have praised Holy Stone for its extended flight time, while IDEA's shorter duration has been noted but is still appreciated for quick and fun flights. When it comes to controls, Holy Stone features Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest modes, making you feel like a Hollywood director. IDEA isn't far behind with optical flow positioning, headless mode, one-button takeoff and landing, and even gesture control. Yes, you can now wave your hand like a Jedi and command your drone. If you're all about the bells and whistles, IDEA throws in a few more toys. Reviewers have found Holy Stone's controls to be intuitive and user-friendly, while IDEA's gesture control has been a fun addition for many users. Lastly, let's talk about noise and power. Holy Stone's brushless motors promise a whisper-quiet flight, so you can finally enjoy the sound of silence. IDEA also has brushless motors, but promises a maximum speed of 40 kilometers per hour. That's fast enough to outrun your neighbor's annoying drone and make a quick getaway. If you want to fly under the radar, go Holy Stone. If you want to leave everyone in the dust, IDEA is your speed demon. Reviewers have appreciated Holy Stone's quiet operation, while IDEA's speed has been a thrilling feature for many. Overall, reviewers have found Holystone HS720E drone to be a high-quality and reliable choice with excellent customer service, although some have encountered issues with receiving used items. The IDEA brushless motor drone has been praised for its affordability and beginner-friendly features, but some users have reported quality control issues and difficulties with customer support. So there you have it, smart shoppers. Holystone is your high-end, feature-packed, silent powerhouse, while the IDEA is your budget-friendly, obstacle-avoiding speedster with a Jedi twist. Which one should you buy? Well, that's up to your wallet and your flying skills. Drop a comment below and tell us which drone you're leaning towards. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next epic comparison. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart. Product links are in the description.